Have you ever calculated the exact dollar amount you'd need to walk away from your job? Most working women dream of financial independence, but have no idea what that number actually looks like. Today, we're calculating your freedom number, and I'll show you why the timeline might be longer than you think, and what that means for real planning. Here's what most financial advice won't tell you. Women face unique challenges. We earn 82 cents for every dollar men earn, take career breaks for caregiving, and live longer, meaning we need money to last longer. Your freedom number isn't just about escaping work. It's about security through career interruptions, healthcare costs, and potentially decades of retirement. Step 1. Calculate your annual expenses honestly. Include everything: housing, food, healthcare, childcare, and don't forget women-specific costs like longer healthcare needs. If you need $50,000 per year to maintain your lifestyle, write that down. This becomes your baseline. Now multiply by 25. This is based on the 4% withdrawal rule. You can safely withdraw 4% of your investments annually without depleting the principal. 50,000 times 25 equals $1.25 million. That's your freedom number. Yes, it's a big number. That's the reality of financial independence. Here's the truth about timelines. Investing $500 monthly at 7% returns gives you about $300,000 after 20 years, less than a quarter of your goal. To reach $1.25 million, you'd need to invest about $2,000 monthly for 20 years, or increase your contributions as your income grows. This isn't meant to discourage you. It's meant to help you plan realistically. Remember Sarah from our previous video? After 7 years of disciplined investing, she has $180,000, about 15% of her freedom number goal. She's on track, but it's a 20 to 25-year journey at her current pace. The key is she started and stayed consistent. Your action plan: first, calculate your real number. Second, determine how much you can actually invest monthly. Third, consider if increasing your income is necessary to meet your timeline. Financial independence is achievable, but it requires honest math and realistic expectations. Your freedom number is your North Star, not your next year's goal. What's your freedom number? Calculate it and share in the comments. Subscribe for more realistic financial planning designed for women's unique challenges.